Integrating a BatteryEVO Pacific into your home is simple and easy. Any home that's going to utilize off-grid power with a battery and inverter needs to be equipped with a sub-panel and generator port. To allow your battery and inverter to communicate, start by connecting them with your included DC cable. Using the AC in on your inverter, connect your inverter to your main electrical panel using your included 50 amp extension cable. This allows you to run power from your home into your Walrus. To run power back into your home, use your other 50 amp extension cable to connect from your inverter's AC out to the generator port on your sub-panel. To recharge your Walrus using solar energy, use your PV to Anderson cable to plug directly into your inverter. Once set up, you can power your home off the grid and take advantage of time of use settings to maximize your savings.